Guys, I'm so sorry for my body, but I'm so gutom kasi. Bayabiyan. I'm so gutom, so bumili ako ng Canton. This flavor is sweet and spicy, and I put pepper on it to make it give a little bit of spice. If you know me well, I love spice. And I also have Lucky Me noodles kasi I want also something to, you know. And I'm so sorry for my body. I'm so sorry, body. I'm so sorry. Whatever.
Lumayas ako sa amin.
I know this is unhealthy, but
Hindi ako kumain ng parents ko.
swear,
You didn't
this
say
is
your
very
name naman.
rare.
His eyes out.
You know what, guys? I just love to film even though walang nanonood sa akin. And I'm watching Netflix while eating here. And so funny kasi kanina gumawa sa Tijama ng ano, diba? This is like a palitaw, but it has chocolate Milo toppings on it, and inside there's a guava. So it's a very dessert. So crazy, but yummy. Anyway, it's my second day na doon ako papasok. I know doon ako papasok.
Sige na. Sige, libre. Libre ba? Libre. Hindi. Walang libre. Hindi, ano lang talaga eh. Parang hotdog lang yung budget namin. Pero babawi ako next time. Bahala ka nga.
This is so good. Fucking good.
Ano ba? Tagay mo. Hindi ka malalasing sa kakachichirya mo.
This is my
Kailangan ko kasi
second. Wait, whatever. This is my noodles. So Lucky Me beef. This is my most favorite among all Lucky Me instant
Pero
noodles.
minuto daw di ako humihinga. Kailangan ng doktor. Patay na ako eh. Pero, yun. Nabuhay ako.
I'm pretty sure it's super taas ng sodium to right now. And I know it's unhealthy, but
Kaya itang gawin na ito?
unhealthy is yummy. And sumabit pa ang mga noodles.
Is knight in shining armor?
Dati super bet ko lang maalat. Ngayon, I'm depriving my salt and sugar. But I just can't control it right now. I just want to treat myself today. And yeah,
Hindi mo alam yun?
very ano naman to, rare. So I give time, or I stall myself today. So it's been a long time.
Ang cute naman nun.
Since I ate a lot of sodium today, I should drink a lot of water. Drink your water, bitch.
Yung male ego mo, gustong dumating sa panahon na ipagtanggol mo din siya kasi pinagtanggol ka niya.
So I need more, and I also purchased ice, so I'll drink this. And let's try again this palitaw. I actually ate this, so to lessen the taste of the salt in my mouth, I'm going to eat this chocolate palitaw. Hey guys, pumasok ngayon. Second na this cut off. Whatever. Ano ko lang? Fries with mixed sauces like ketchup and mayonnaise, and I also put cheese powder on it. So delicious. I actually put some pepper here so to make it some with a little bit of kick of spice, and I'm just dipping this fries with this yummy sauce.
Yun yung first thing na kailangan kong
Correct.
magpapalang
While I'm watching
kasi babae siya. So,
Taro
ako,
Family.
i-make sure ko siya na okay siya bago ako mag-take ng action.
Actually, hindi masyadong tasty yung
Partner ko na
cheese. Hindi siya salty, but
sabihan ko na para pwedeng ikaw na lang kami ng pag-overload kasi nakikita ko na siya.
Anong mararamdaman mo, Virginia, kung ikaw
Bye.
yung nakikita?
guys, look, I have the by chewy cookie palitaw flavor. Palitaw version pala. Chewy. Milo yung ano. Sarap.